93. Well, we're here, so let's enjoy the event. Which way do I go? How about we avoid that puddle? Look at that. Pretty badass. Over here. Oh, Boobaroo. See, I'm gonna get my wife one of those. Nice looking Z06.
There you go.
Yeah, I didn't get it. I had other things going on.
Damn, Mercedes. It's a nice looking truck too. It's like I don't even know where to even start. There's a lot of vehicles everywhere. I did not expect this to be this big. Then again, I've never been here before. They got a wine trying area. Where is my wife? Another McLaren. 720S. Definitely pretty cool. That Corvette. Pretty sick. GTR over there. That's a Roush as well, I believe. Cool. There's Angel. How you doing? Figured I'd talk to Angel for a little bit. He's good shit, so talking to him for a little bit. Pretty dope. Definitely a pretty cool turnout. Think I can fit in there? crap, they got some back for that extra run. Walk this way. I'm just kind of throwing this camera everywhere.
It's just insane. So, we cross. Good seeing you, buddy.
Yeah, you too. I'm gonna bounce back. So.
All right. Yeah,
I lost Steven. I don't know where Steven is.
Brush? Hung up on my brush card?
Bounce back over here. Back over here again. How you guys doing? Thanks for watching the video and checking it out. It's kind of a last minute thing because we were dealing with this heat exchanger that day. It's been a couple days now. I was getting over a cold. We had a garage sale here and stuff. And I just got done fixing the LEDs on here because we did the heat exchanger, but we forgot to plug in the side markers. And I just got done doing that now. Hopefully you guys liked that video though. Like I said, it's kind of a last minute deal. You usually don't pop up to things like that. It turned out to be pretty cool. So yeah, just figured I'd show you guys a little event from Defiant Motorsports, and turned out really nice. Good turnout. All right, take care guys. By the way, yeah, we did get the heat exchanger on here. Working great. I love it. Great improvement, great upgrade by VMP. And I painted Shelby on there. So all right, if you have not yet, subscribe. I'm trying to hit that 3K mark. Hopefully by the end of the year. I think we can do it. And take care. Bye.